What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank credit card, outstanding balance, converting into installment. So paano nga ba guys i-convert yung outstanding balance ng Metrobank credit card natin into installment para hindi siya ganun kabigat bayaran buwan-buwan? Pag-uusapan natin guys yung eligibility kasi hindi lahat ng balance ninyo ay pwede nyo i-convert into installment. I-share ko sa inyo yung rates and fees kasi bawat transaction or application approved na converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment ay may kaakibat siya na fees and charges. It depends kasi mayroon siyang interest rates at the same time may processing fee. I-share ko rin sa inyo guys kung paano mag-apply at the same time saan kayo tatawag, ano yung official hotline number ng Metrobank credit card installment. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, here, convert Metrobank credit card straight purchases into installment via the Metrobank application or calling 0288-700-919 or using the online portal. Eligible cardholders with a minimum transaction of 6,000 can choose 3 to 60 months terms at rates up to 1% per month. A 500 pesos processing fee applies. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Isa-isahin natin. Convert Metrobank credit card straight purchase into installment via Metrobank app. So, as you can see guys, straight purchases lang. Kasi there's a limitation kung ano yung pwede nyong ipa-convert lamang sa Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment. So, ngayon yung straight purchases lang via Metrobank application. Then, pwede din guys, tumawag kayo sa Metrobank customer service which is ito yung official hotline number nila. 0288-700-919 or using the online portal. So, kung aware naman kayo sa online portal, mas maganda dun kasi di mo na kailangan tumawag sa Metrobank customer service. Kumbaga, do it yourself na lang. Eligible cardholders with a minimum transactions of 6,000 pesos can choose 3 to 60 month terms at rates of 1% per month. So, magkano nga ba guys yung pwede nyong ipa-convert? Ito ay straight purchases amounting to 6,000 pesos pataas. Then, pwede kayong mamili ngayon kung 3 months lamang ninyo gustong bayaran or 60 months, which means 5 years. At rates up to 1% per month. So, if you don't know kasi guys, the regular interest in converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment is 1%. Ngayon, minsan kapag may offer sila, mas mababa sa 1%, which is ano lang siya, kumbaga occasional, chine-check ni Metrobank yung account ninyo, ini-evaluate. Ngayon, if qualified kayo for lower the interest rate na pwedeng i-offer, o-offeran kayo ng mas bababa sa 1%. Minsan, umabot ng 0.49%, 0.55%, 0.69%, depende siya guys sa account ninyo at depende sa offer ni Metrobank. As you can see guys, there's a 500 pesos processing fee. So, meaning, bawat approved installment request or converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment, may 500 pesos siya na processing fee. Key details for Metrobank installment conversion. So, ito yung further details, guys, about converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment. So, how to apply? So, paano nga ba, guys, mag-apply para mapa-convert yung outstanding balance ng Metrobank credit card ninyo into installment? So, ito nakalagay, how to apply. Log into the Metrobank application. Select your card and choose card installment facility. Then, balance conversion or call the hotline. So, ito yung pinaka-ultimate step guys para ma-convert yung outstanding balance ninyo sa Metrobank. Login kayo ngayon sa Metrobank application. Hanapin niyo yung credit card na gusto nyong ipa-convert yung outstanding balance. Let's say marami kayong credit card sa Metrobank. So, kung ano yung credit card na yon na gusto mong ipa-convert yung outstanding balance, piliin mo yon. Tapos, select mo yung cash installment facility. Then, balance conversion or call Metrobank customer service hotline number which is yung 0288-700-919. Eligibility. Active cardholder and good credit standing for at least 6 months. So, sino nga ba yung mga eligible guys? Yung mga Metrobank credit card holder na at least 6 months na yung credit card nila and in a good standing. So, meaning, good standing. Wala kayong lapses, wala kayong hindi binayaran na balance, lahat yon binabayaran nyo ng maayos, although minimum amount due lang kayo. Basta, wala lang kayo, hindi lang kayo natadtad ng penalties and late payment fees. Minimum amount. Minimum single or accumulated transaction of 6,000 pesos. So, sure kasi dito guys, magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong ipa-convert sa Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment? Minimum niya guys is 6,000 pesos accumulated transaction. 6,000 and above yan actually. Ngayon, let's talk about the rates and fees. So, magkano nga ba yung interest rates? At the same time, magkano yung availment fee in converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment? As you can see dito guys is, up to 1% monthly rate and a non-refundable of 500 pesos processing fee. So, meaning 1% yung monthly add-on rate, which is regular interest. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, pag nag-promo si Metrobank, chinek yung account niyo, okay kayo, pwede kayo qualified for lower than 1% monthly add-on rate. So, pabadalan kayo ngayon ng notification via text message saying na you are qualified to avail balance conversion into installment with this kind of rate, which is 0.59, 0.49, depende siya sa account ninyo. Then, a non-refundable of 500 pesos processing fee. So, take note lang guys na may 500 pesos siyang non-refundable fee. Pre-termination fee. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng pre-termination fee? Like for example guys, nagsawa na kayo, gusto niyo nang bayaran ng buo yung pina-installment ninyo sa Metrobank credit card ninyo, babayaran mo na ng buo para matapos na. Ngayon, may pre-termination fee siya. A fee of 5% of the remaining principal balance or 550 whichever is higher applies if cancelled early. Ngayon, kung gusto mo nang tapusin tulad ng sabi ko, 5% guys ng remaining principal, yung magiging dagdag, no? Like for example, meron pa kayong principal balance na 10,000. So, magkano nga ba yung 5% ng 10,000? It is around 500 pesos. So, ngayon, since nakalagay dito is, or 550 pesos, whichever is higher, so yung 5% ng 10,000 is 500 lang. So, hindi umabot ng 550. So, meaning, 550 yung masusunod. Kumbaga, minimum itong si 550. Parang cap niya na kapag nag-avail kayo, kapag yung 5% ng pina-installment niyo is hindi umabot ng 550, automatic 550. Ngayon, kung lumagpas naman ng 550, yung 5% ng pina-installment niyo na outstanding balance niyo sa Metrobank credit card, yun yung masusunod. Like for example, 20,000. So, magkano yung 5% ng 20,000? It is 1,000 pesos. So, yun na yung masusunod guys. Yun na yung magiging processing fee ng pag-request ninyo ng converting your Metrobank credit card outstanding balance into installment. Alternative installment options. Cash to go. Convert available credit limit to cash. So, itong cash to go naman na sinasabi dito sa Metrobank guys is yung available credit limit nyo is ipapa-convert nyo siya into cash, which is loan pa rin yun, parang cash installment siya. 0% installment partners. Select merchants offer 0 interest installment options. So, kung meron kayong balak na mag-installment guys, maghanap na lang kayo ng store or merchant na kung saan nagtatanggap ng 0% installment offers. Note, all applications are subject to credit evaluation and approval. So, hindi po lahat guys na-approve. Like for example, nag-request kayo ng converting your Metrobank outstanding balance into installment. So, not all the time na-approve siya. Nakadepende siya guys sa credit limit na meron kayo sa Metrobank credit card ninyo. Mamaya, hindi nakakayanin kapag sinama-sama na yung interest at saka yung availment fee, so made-declined yun. Kaya naman, need mo talaga bayaran yun ng buo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's Megan Joseph Cake that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!